man take me for an idiot. Violate, it's a get back, I mean that. Need that, stack that, flip that, rap that. By any means, I live that. Odd one out, I live that. Give ups, I live that. Trust no one, I live that. Fear no one, I live that. Can't let a man take me for an idiot. Violate, it's a get back, I mean that. Need that, stack that, flip that, rap that. By any means, I live that. Odd one out, I live that. Give ups, I live that. Trust no one, I live that. Fear no one, I live that. Won't lie on the track to please a stranger. By the world, I'm a lone ranger. I'm my own hero, by the pipe, one slot with a rubber, then eraser. Couldn't care if my man's a younger. If he tries it, my blade will jam him.
That view. Just moved in here 2 months ago, and that is our view. The balcony, the view, lovely.
Okay.
See you in a couple of hours. See you later. So the plan is, my mate Guri just messaged me saying, what are you doing? I said, absolutely nothing. He said, let's go climb a mountain and watch the sunset in solar. So that's what we're gonna do. I forgot the hiking boots. Thanks. Cheers, darling. Oh, I thought my toes feel nice and cold. Why is that? It's because I ain't got my hiking boots on. See you later, darling. Bye. Just pulled up at Guri's house. Look at his yard. Hey, don't say the N-word. Trust him to say the N-word. Listen, he just fresh off the banana boat into a mansion. Come on. Huh?
Just
Cool, cool. So we've decided to stop at the supermarket to buy some hot chocolate, biscuits, cakes, the lots. And when you get to the checker, you say to the geezer, I need to go to the toilet. So that's where I've just been, so I don't have to pay for it. Here he is. And that is how you get out of paying 20 quid for a load of rubbish you don't need. So what did we get then, Guri?
hot chocolate and Norwegian chocolate, quick lunch, good for trip, and chili.
That's what I get for being so cheeky, yeah? Trying to get out for not paying for biscuits. I said, yeah, let's pay for petrol. He goes, yeah, I bought the biscuits and sweets, you buy the petrol.
We're going to a place called Dalsnuten. It's like 45 minutes driving from Stavanger. It takes like 30 minutes to walk from the parking spot to the top. And the view is
amazing.
Amazing.
Hot chocolate, biscuits.
Yeah, we got everything for the trip.
And then afterwards we're going to
Sola Strand,
yeah.
And for the amazing sunset.
On the beach.
On the beach, the biggest beach in Norway, I think. Proper Norwegian lads today. What do you think about that?
Yeah, I'm Norwegian, mate. Let's go.
Let's go, boy. Let's go. It's cold today, but the sun is up, clear blue sky, so everything is set.
So we're all good in the hood.
Wonderful trip today. And I got my Snapchat as well, and it's gonna be a good day. What do you think, Chris?
It's gonna be amazing, mate.
It's gonna be amazing. Wonderful day for hiking. Go out.
We're here at the start. As you can see, it's a lovely sunny day. Where are we going then? This one?
Yeah, this one.
This one here. Liftel. And we get to see, what's the view? Here, that's the view.
Stavanger.
It's madness, I want some of that. Oh! That just cracked! Wow! One of the main reasons we decided to come on this little trip is to brush up on the GoPro skills and editing skills, because I haven't done a video in so long. I just felt a bit rusty, so I thought, why not? It's Guri's fantastic idea.
And to clear your mind as well, your soul.
And then we get a lovely view while we're doing it as well. It's not a long walk, it's only about 30 minutes. No, 45 minutes. But where I haven't done any training or hiking in a few months, my legs are sore and it isn't even that much of a hard climb. But we're near the top now. I won't spoil the view, hold on. Yeah, so we're near the top. 2 more minutes. And then we've got a lovely view all over Sandnes and Stavanger. It's not a very exciting hike for the Norwegians, but for us English, this is amazing. Little things like this, we're like, whoa! These Norwegians are just like, yeah, it's just a little hill for us. For me, it's a bloody mountain. Okay, made it to the top of Sandnes. Look at this for a view. That actually looks perfectly built. Oh, look at that.
That's it here first one.
Yeah. So Stavanger's over there.
Yeah.
Madler is there. Sandnes
Sandnes is here.
is this here. And what's over there then?
Sola.
What's over there under that sun?
Olgo, I think.
Has some hot chocolate and some biscuits.
Yeah, take this one. Sit down here.
Chilling. Bit of hot chocolate. And enjoying this.
Enjoying life.
Enjoying life and enjoying this view. Watching the sunset. And it was -3 degrees down by the car, but up here it's boiling.
Sandnes,
I might take my clothes off and sunbathe.
tanning.
Naked. It's well romantic though, isn't it?
Hmm?
Well romantic, me and my boy with a bit of hot chocolate. Come on. We miscalculated the time. We're supposed to go to Sola to see the sunset properly, and as you can see, we're behind time, so we're rushing down the mountain. We've got to drive ½ hour to Sola and hopefully catch it. We was enjoying the hot chocolate and biscuits too much. Hopefully we make it. In the shade it's freezing. Can we make it or not?
I think so, yeah.
Yeah? Right, we need to hurry up there.
Sandnes.
We're at Sola Beach. The little kids are ice skating.
Nice, really nice.
This is my favourite part about Sola Beach, is walking along this little, feel like I'm on a catwalk. On a catwalk! Oh well, we're a little bit late, but still beautiful. It's not even cold. How many people are here? There's literally about 500 people had the same idea as us. Anyway, that's it. What a trip, ain't it, Gary?
Yeah, for sure.
Better than sitting on the sofa, I guess. So hopefully I can make this a nice little... You'll be watching this video in 20 years time. You're watching this with his 20 kids. And oh, look at that, I got a white friend. But yeah, bless, we're out. Getting the angles in, ain't you?